Hey there, restaurant leaders. I'm Carrie Luxem. I'm the CEO of Restaurant HR Group, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I post videos every week to help you tackle the people side of the restaurant business. It's HR, payroll, leadership, compliance, you name it. So you can run smoother operations and keep your teams happy and engaged and productive. Here at Restaurant HR Group, we make HR and payroll simple for restaurant owners and operators. Whether you want us to handle everything for you with full service HR outsourcing, or you only want us to jump in every now and then with an on-demand or as needed support, that's fine too. Or if you would like us to help with training managers and HR staff, we have training available as well. So head over to our website after you watch this show and check us out. All right, so let's get into today's topic, because this one trips up a lot of restaurants and can be very expensive if you get it wrong. The difference between exempt and non-exempt employees. Exempt employees are exempt from overtime rules under the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA. Non-exempt employees must be paid overtime, time and a half, for any hours over 40 hours in a work week. Think of it this way. Exempt, paid for the job, not the hours, usually salaried. Non-exempt, paid for the hours worked, usually hourly. For example, your salaried general manager who meets the salary threshold and job duties tests, likely exempt. Your line cook, almost always non-exempt. Getting this wrong can mean costly back pay. You might owe years of unpaid overtime, fines and penalties. The state and federal agencies, they don't play around, trust me here. Reputation damage, word travels really fast in the restaurant world. The rules aren't just about what you can call someone, it's about how they're paid and what they actually do. The Department of Labor looks at job duties, pay structure, and responsibilities, not job titles. Non-exempt, overtime pay, accurate time tracking, meal, rest, break compliance. Exempt, fixed salary, no overtime, but still meet minimum salary thresholds. Both pay income tax and FICA, Social Security, and Medicare. The main difference, overtime for non-exempt increases taxable wages. Many employers offer the same benefit to both, but some perks, bonuses, PTO, accrual rules can differ. Health benefits are usually based on full-time status, not exempt status, but always check your plan documents. Promoting without changing pay, moving a cook to kitchen supervisor without a salary or meeting exempt duties. Misclassifying assistant managers if they spend most of their time cooking and cleaning and serving rather than managing, they're likely non-exempt. Not tracking hours for salaried non-exempt. Yes, that's a thing. Some roles are salaried but must still track hours and get overtime. Here are some important steps that you should take. Audit your roles. Are the titles, duties, and the pay aligned with the FLSA rules? Train your managers. They should know who can work overtime without prior approval and who can't. You want to make sure that you keep job descriptions current. Make sure they reflect the actual duties. Track time accurately for everyone if there is ever any doubt. Getting exempt and non-exempt right isn't just about avoiding fines. It's about paying fairly, it's about treating people right, and it's about protecting your restaurant's future. If you found this show helpful, please hit subscribe so you don't miss any future videos that I put out there. And if you would like help reviewing your classifications or setting up bulletproof HR systems and processes, go over and visit www.restauranthrgroup.com, and we would love to help you and your restaurant remain compliant, efficient, and thriving. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here soon.